Karnataka is set to host the Global Investors Meet from February 12th, themed Reimagining Growth. The event will highlight the state's strengths in innovation, industry, and global partnerships. The 3-day summit will feature 75 plus speakers, over 25 technical sessions, and 10 plus country sessions covering topics like the global economy, new technologies, and investment opportunities. The government expects 10 lakh crore rupees in investment proposals, aiming to achieve at least 70% of them, according to Minister MB Patil. The event was inaugurated on February 11th at Palace Grounds by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, alongside Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister Shivakumar. The state will also unveil its Industrial Policy 2025 to 2030. The summit will feature investment discussions, industry roundtables on renewable energy, university collaborations and healthcare, and talks by global leaders like Anand Mahindra, Sajjan Jindal, Shashi Tharoor, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, and others. Invest Karnataka 2025 aims to attract businesses and position the state as a top investment hub.